Just waking up from a nice dream. Bitcoin pumping on a live stream. Smile shine brighter than a high beam. Never seen live trading on a widescreen. Bitcoin showing you the steps to own it. We got the alpha, I bet you want it. I'm having fun, send a lecture on it. Randy, put a little extra on it.
It's mutable and decentralized. No censorship or hard cap supply. It's open source and we classify the blockchain secure, and that's exactly why. It's hard money with a new plan. It bounced a lot like this new jam. If Bitcoin dipped, then we ain't gon' trip. I'ma be bullish on you, fam.
I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it. 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 I'm a Bitcoin bestie. You gotta love it.
This video is sponsored by Cake Wallet, the easiest open source wallet to store Bitcoin, Monero, and Litecoin securely on mobile and desktop devices. When buying, selling, and exchanging crypto or trading for gift cards, Cake Wallet ensures privacy and security, giving you the keys to your coins. At Vacation Genie, we believe digital currencies are meant to do more than just sit in your wallet. They're meant to take you places. We want to help you step into the future of cryptocurrency spending, as travel is one of the top categories for spending your crypto. It provides you with the best ROI, lasting memories. Make sure to check out Vacation Genie today. Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Zest. I'm your host, Randi Hipper, here today on a lovely Tuesday. We have a lot set up for you guys today in terms of headlines. It's going to be a good one, as Bitcoin dipped a little bit, but it seems as though Bitcoin is bouncing back, trying to test that $120,000 mark. Ethereum is absolutely taking off today. So big news, guys. Big news. Oh, we got Vacation Genie in the chat. We love having Vacation Genie in the chat. Guys, we have ETH ETFs hitting record inflows. An Ethereum core dev was freed from jail. We have Bullish, which owns CoinDesk, looking to file for an IPO. In addition, we do have Bitcoin Treasury Company news, Ethereum Treasury Company news, even Bonk Treasury Company news. Yeah. Treasury companies for Bonk. In addition, we also have BNB treasuries to discuss as well. What else do we got today? We got Bonk, BNB. We have Stripe that's working on blockchain payments. Paxos looking for a bank trust charter. And then Terra's Dogecoin. We remember Dodo and Terra Luna. Let's jump into all of that drama. And then for our spotlight, we have the SEC making some positive statements here and to focus on clear regulations after the whole drama closing out the Ripple case. Of course, we have our coins to watch as well. So if you're ready for all those headlines and news, the zest, the education, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, share this out with friends so more people know what's going on here. We have a goal of 150 likes, 150 live viewers, and a subscriber goal of 22,880 subscribers. Let's see if we can get 2 more. Ultimately, we do want to try and target that 23,000 subscriber mark. We have 122 more, and I'm so excited to see that 23K, and I'm more excited to see 25, and I think we're going to get there soon. I'm bullish on all of you guys. Hello. Welcome. We have a lot of people that are XRP fans in the chat. Guys, please smash the like. Go to youtube.com/missteencrypto, and we're going to get after it. I am so excited. Let me say good morning to you as you say good morning to me, and check out our 3 amazing sponsors of the show, including Cake Wallet, Market Cipher. Use code ZESTY for 15% off, and then go over to Vacation Genie and book your cruise with crypto. Shout out to Golden in the chat. Golden reigning 50 memberships before the show even started. So thank you. I appreciate you. Golden is just a little angel. He really is. Golden's an angel. He's helped this channel beyond words. So thank you, Golden. Let's say good morning to everybody. Let's do it. I actually just get so confused because YouTube's messing me up. But hello, Matilda. Hello, Dave T. Hello, everybody on TikTok. We got Jesse, Ace of Hearts. Good morning. We got Blackhead, as always. Thank you to you, Jesse. Hope you're feeling better today. Silver Days, chilling. Peace. Says, got my coffee. Good. We like coffee. Joe Harvey. I think that's Bullduck. Good morning. Bobby F. I believe that is. Nice to see you. David Bulls. James G. Good morning. We have Gary Littlemore. Fitz. Good morning. Elric, Chipper, good morning to you guys. Mike Volmer's chilling. Back up, Mama Shadow, John Shanks is here. Curtis Hill, good morning. Curtis Neal is here as well. Verhoofty Floof, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Andy S is here. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys are freaking going off. John White, John Legend with all his emojis. M2, good morning. Mike Mazzone is over on X. Nice to see ya. Oh my gosh, my bot is losing it because you guys are chatting so much. Ivan Dodgeball, good morning. Nick, John Newton, 2 and 10-year plan. Good morning. Crypto Twat, good morning. All right, welcome. Greg Carmichael, nice to see you too. Oh my gosh, Ivan Hernandez, good morning. All right, welcome everyone. All set is here. I guess we're all set. We'll get into the show now. Crypto Trucker Mike, good morning. Everyone, good morning. Lasers, pew pew, good morning. Tony, hello, welcome. D, good morning. Emerson, good morning. Nice to see all of you guys. Dr. Simple Jack, we got French, good morning. All right, everyone, let's get into the show. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. Do not miss out on this market recap. We got Fartcoin, our biggest loser today, down around 13%, along with IP, aka Story, right behind, down 10%. Monero's also down today, though we got Tezos making up for that 6% Monero loss by gaining 6%. And then we got Link that's doing pretty decent as well. Bitcoin, $118,921 at the moment, up about 2.2%. We are looking to hold that 117.5 bullish is our golden zone, which is about $120,000. We really want to tap that. Again, that's where we were at around the highs this morning, was high 119, basically 120K. Yesterday, we had a wick high to around 122. We were within $1,000 of our current all-time high, which is $123,000, about 123.3, 123.2. I am bullish on Bitcoin. Ultimately, we want to stay above 117.5. However, if we do reject this 117.5, I am looking at 106.3. I don't know why. It's just where my heart is telling me. I really do think a healthy retrace for Bitcoin would be going back to 106. However, again, we are going to remain bullish. We do have the momentum shooting on up along with that money flow. Nice little spike there. However, the VWAP is telling us a different story and pulling back. Right now, we are looking at the RSI, which is making a nice little pump. We are still bullish, maybe a little bit of an uptrend starting over here. So I would keep calm, huddle on, and just watch out for the inevitable, which is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I'm so bullish on Bitcoin. It is ridiculous. People are also talking about rate cuts, if that's priced in. Honestly, I don't really care about what Jerome Powell does. And I know that's so radical of me to say, but I really don't. Because Jerome Powell is just a political figure. He's nothing more than that. And my concern is the Federal Reserve isn't federal. Anyway, guys, I have breaking news headlines for you. So we're going to get into that. Sip your coffees. Let's do it. Ethereum ETFs, ooh la la, hitting $1 billion of daily inflows for the first time ever. Now, a lot of people are fading Ethereum, and I told you guys a while ago when we were at $2,000 ETH, half the price. Why are you fading ETH? When everyone's fearful, you should be greedy. Oh my gosh. These are people crying on Twitter. Oh my gosh. Ethereum's like underperforming and it's never coming back. Ethereum's going to $1,000. And now look at where we're at. Like, please stop crying. Like, never cry. When you feel like you're going to cry, bye. I think that should be the new thing. Don't cry, bye. Oh, burn. Okay, guys, we have Ethereum ETF surpassing $1 billion in daily inflows for the first time on Monday as the second largest crypto hit its highest price for over 3.5 years. The 9 ETFs comfortably surpassed the previous daily high of $726.74 million from July 17th, and BlackRock's ETH has led the way, registering inflows of just under $640 million. Fidelity, a distant second, with $276.9 million of inflows, and the cumulative inflows into funds now sit at $10.83 billion, with total assets valued at $25.71 billion, equivalent to 4.77% of ETH's market cap. Looking at Ethereum, she is on fire, crossing 4,400. Oh, and look where our wick high was. Oh my gosh. Look where our wick high was. Our golden zone of 44.30. Hoo-wee! Guys, I would just like to say that I love TA, technical analysis. This is so on point. It actually makes me excited. You know why? Because we were like, okay, you know what? Maybe we pulled back to around 32.80. We pulled back to 33.80. Then, all right, let's make a move up to right here, 4,200. Oh, and there exactly we went. And then bam, targeting that 44.30. This is our golden zone, guys. Holding support right here. Right freaking here. This is the mother lode. This is the jackpot. Again, creating support here will help us target our all-time high for ETH, which is around $4,800. So don't slack. Don't slack. Keep posted with ETH. Again, still a good pullback. And we're going to look at the bear scenario here. A good pullback at this point is the pullback to right here, 39.50. Tip below 4,000 one more time, and then come back up. But overall, I am so excited. And I think if we hold where we're at right now, above 4,000 period, that is extremely bullish for ETH. Extremely bullish. And if we pass all-time highs for ETH, like, it's just going to be so fantastic to see everybody stop crying on the timeline. Like I said, we're around $4,377 at the moment. We're up about 3.65%. That green dot really sent us to the moon with this momentum. Money flow is ticking up. Highest money flow since right here in July, and then even back here in June. VWAP is pulling back a little bit, though, as the RSI is overbought. And you guys know what that means. When you are overbought, there's an incoming or an increasing likelihood for an incoming downtrend. So we could see that pullback with ETH if the overbought zest keeps going up. Now, if we keep going up and we keep pushing that overbought envelope, that could push us to all-time highs. Like, if we really keep sending it here. However, just watch out for the pullback. I am very bullish, though. I'm so bullish. I want to see ETH hit all-time highs. I want to see $10,000 ETH. And so with all of this news, the $1 billion inflows for the ETFs, we do have an Ethereum core dev that was freed from jail after being detained in Turkey. Ethereum core dev Federico Carone, known as Feed's intern, I believe that's or Fed's intern on X, confirmed he has been released after being detained in Turkey for 24 hours over alleged links to an Ethereum privacy protocol. He said in an X post, "I'm finally out, safe and free. There was a small moment where things looked very bad, but thanks to help from many, I got released." And according to Carone, the Turkey Minister of Internal Affairs, accused him of helping others misuse Ethereum in an alleged connection to a privacy protocol. Carone says he believes it is linked to a January 2022 research paper that assessed the user privacy on Ethereum and Tornado Cash, saying, "We've never helped anyone engage in illegal activity. It's purely research on mixers and their properties." So just because they thought he was involved with somebody or involved with possibly Tornado Cash, they went and detained him. Like, this is just blasphemy. No one should be detained just because you think they're associated with someone. Get some hard freaking proof before you go ahead and come after people. Like, that is just absolutely ridiculous. So I'll digress on that, but it's just not right. It's not right. Where was this on X? I can see if I can find his tweet. I think I have it. Hold on. So this is his actual post on X. A little bit of an essay there, but if you guys want to go check it out, I could put the link in the chat. So there you go. Anyway, guys, we are going to continue moving because I just have no patience for people that do not respect basic human rights and privacy and arresting people for absolutely no reason. But yeah, he was detained because they thought, again, they had alleged links to an Ethereum privacy protocol. So they probably thought he was associated with something like Tornado Cash and tried to arrest him to say that he was trying to facilitate illegal activity, which did not happen whatsoever. Anyways, that's the latest on that. So I hope that answered all of your questions. But people were talking about this, and I felt like it was definitely worthwhile to share. In addition, we do have crypto exchange Bullish, who also owns CoinDesk, looking to have an IPO. This could be big news as well. Now, crypto exchange Bullish has raised the size of its IPO to $990 million from $629 million as the company looks to take advantage of a hot market for crypto firms. Now, according to a filing with the SEC on Monday, Bullish is aiming to sell 30 million shares at a price of $32 to $33 each, or $990 million, and a valuation of $4.8 billion at the top of the range. In a previous filing, they plan to market 20.3 million shares, or about $629 million, and a $4.2 billion valuation at the top of the range. Now, they're one of the many companies hoping to take advantage of a booming IPO market in the space as the industry is starting to profit from a clear regulatory framework and investor interest. We might have another crypto stock to watch, so please watch out for that one. I know a lot of people are bullish and they're betting on ETH treasury companies, Bitcoin treasury companies, BNB treasury companies, so on and so forth. So you definitely want to make sure that you are eyeing these IPOs, but also maybe depending on the company and their treasury, what coins they are aligning themselves with as well. And speaking of treasury companies, let's actually get into that, because we do have Metaplanet that has their Bitcoin treasury, and they're looking to pick up more for their stash, and they have a $61 million purchase that was revealed. Metaplanet said it bought another 518 Bitcoin as part of their Bitcoin treasury operations. Purchase was made at an average price of $118,519 per Bitcoin, bringing the total purchase value to $61 million, according to the company post on X. They are now the holder of the 6th largest corporate stash of Bitcoin, and total holdings are 18,113 Bitcoin, valued at $1.85 billion, paying an average price of $101,911 per Bitcoin. They have a Bitcoin yield at 26.5% between July 1st and August 12th. So that's a nice percentage right there. I absolutely love it. And then we have, interestingly enough, CEA Industries that's looking to have their BNB treasury and also bought a fat stack of BNB for $160 million. BNB Network Company, the treasury arm of CEA Industries, BNC, has announced the purchase of 200,000 BNB tokens in a $160 million bet, making it the largest corporate holder of BNB. The move is part of the company's new treasury strategy that will center exclusively on BNB, coming after a recent $500 million private placement led by 10x Capital and YZ Labs. BNC has overhauled their leadership, and according to a press release, David Nemdar, the co-founder of Galaxy Digital, is taking over as their CEO. Very, very interesting. But they could have as much as $1.25 billion to invest in BNB. So that's a lot of money that they are sending into BNB right now. And we're going to take a gander at the BNB chart. Let's do that real quick. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys, we are basically in price discovery with BNB. BNB is $813.75, up 1%. I'm actually going to throw up because I wish I had more BNB. I wish I had more BNB. I'm literally going to throw up. This is ridiculous. $813 BNB. Are we going to see, put this in the chat. Are we going to see $1,000 BNB? One or yes emoji, two or no emoji. As you smash the like, subscribe, and share. Shout out to the Otter Gang. Thank you for sending in here, Alex. I appreciate you so much, Papa. Oh. Thank you for subscribing, guys. We are trying to get 23,000 subscribers. We are almost there, 120 away. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. Sorry, not Ethereum. BNB, we are looking to hold support at 749. 750 is what I would really say. Bullish scenario, obviously, is that wick all-time high at 860. the candle close was around 843, the highest daily candle close for BNB. We are not far. If you're going to measure it out, again, here to all-time high is about 5.9%. And then to that highest daily candle close, only 3.69% away. Papa O, member for 1 year, says, gang loves you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you. Appreciate you, fam. Those are your levels to watch for BNB. We are in price discovery. Absolutely madness. Green dot is printed, pulling out that momentum as we are up 1.13%. Money flow. Looking at the money flow, highest money flow we've seen on BNB since mid-April. VWAP is down. And then, look at that RSI climbing. Not even overbought. We're at $814. Could we see a new all-time high with BNB soon? Possibly. Oh, I am so bullish, guys. I am so freaking bullish. I don't even know how to describe it to you. I am feeling almost darn euphoric, and basically nothing's happening. Imagine when something happens. Splash Lantern, thank you for subscribing to the channel, guys. We got 19 more till we hit our goal of 22,900 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you. Send it, everyone. Send it to the moon. I'm so excited. You started following me. Well, thank you, my friends on TikTok. Guys, if you're on TikTok, go to YouTube. Go to YouTube, please. Sending it right now. We are sending it with our love and dedication. Shout out to Uncle Billy in the chat. Everyone say hi to Uncle Billy. We're getting after it today. Do we have 100 likes? We have 98 likes. Guys, please smash the like. Share. Pretty please. Pretty please. Moving on over, not only do we have Ethereum treasury companies, BNB, Bitcoin. Oh boy, we got Bonk. There is a $25 million corporate treasury boost for Bonk, and it seems as though a NASDAQ-listed firm that wants to have this Bonk treasury, their stock price slid 50%. Shares in NASDAQ-listed drinks maker Safety Shot tanked 50% after announcing a plan to buy $25 million worth of Bonk as a part of their new treasury strategy. They announced a strategic alliance with the Bonk founding contributors on Monday to deeply integrate the company with the meme coin ecosystem. Now, Safety Shot said its decision to focus on the meme coin as the core treasury asset is based on its clear and distinct advantages over its competitors. They say the Solana-based token benefits from superior tech that enables high-speed, low-cost transactions. Adding, it gives Bonk an edge over rivals such as Sheeb and Pepe, which are constrained by the high fees and slower speeds of ETH and Dogecoin, which is inflationary. That is ridiculous. They're saying Bonk is better than Doge because Doge is inflationary. Oh my word, they need to do more research in crypto. Doge, I think, is what would you pick? Write in the chat. If you were to have a treasury company, would you stack Bonk or would you stack Doge? Put a 1 or a yes emoji for Bonk or 2 no emoji for Doge. Or you could put the Doge emoji. So 1 for Bonk, 2 for Doge. Doge, I would like, just because I know it's a proof of work blockchain. It's not just a token. It's not a meme token. It's an actual meme coin because it has an underlying blockchain. It is the native token of its blockchain. This is what we need. This is what we need to clear up here. Coin versus token debate. I agree that Pepe and Sheeb are at a disadvantage because they're tokens on top of Ethereum that has a very high fees. That I agree with. But then you got Bonk on Solana, which you could say Solana has been down over a dozen times. So is Bonk really the right way to go? There are lower fees and higher speeds. I agree. But then I feel like Doge is right up there with the speeds and it's right there with the fees as well. Plus, it's a coin and not a darn token. And it's proof of work. Very interesting to me. Very, very interesting how people trust Solana that much. I mean, I love Solana because it has great projects, great games, all that stuff on Solana. Even though, would they pivot away from gaming? If Solana pivots away from gaming, they're going to have a problem because it's just going to be about meme coins. And then what if people, aren't really into meme coins? We've seen what happens there. Maybe Doge is more saturated. Maybe that's why they're going with Bonk. But still, I think we're still early with Dogecoin too. I think we're still early with Dogecoin. I think we're early with everything, to be honest. Please smash the like, subscribe, and share. I would love to know what you guys are thinking. Oh, yeah, where is Uncle Jimmy? I miss Uncle Jimmy. Where's he at? Anyway, guys, we have Steak and Shake. I love Steak and Shake. I want to try their new milkshake too. It's like the orange creamsicle flavor. I really want to try that. Sounds fire. I do love Steak and Shake's Oreo one. I love the chocolate one. Their birthday cake one was actually really good. Like, it had like pieces of birthday cake in it. So good. So I love Steak and Shake. I do love their fries too. The beef tallow fries, off the wall, super good. I love their buffalo sauce. I think they need like some sort of buffalo burger at Steak and Shake because I love buffalo sauce. Like, I will, anywhere that has buffalo sauce, like, I'm gonna ask for it. I don't care where I am. I need hot sauce everywhere I go. Buffalo sauce I love the most. Love it. Anyway, Steak and Shake. Their same store sales went up 11% in Q2 due to the fact that they are accepting Bitcoin as payment. And of course, they even mentioned at Bitcoin conference they're saving a ton of money on fees because of Lightning Network, peer-to-peer one, and also basically no fees. U.S. fast food chain Steak and Shake tipped its hat to Bitcoiners. After this post saying in the second quarter of 2025, Steak and Shake's same-store sales increased by 10.7%. Bitcoin has been a game changer. Thank you, Bitcoiners. Bitcoin, burgers, and beyond. And I do agree that we are going to transact with Bitcoin on a regular basis. We're going to transact with crypto on a regular basis. It's just a matter of when people wake up. And Steak and Shake is awake. They're awake. They're here. They're ready. And when you go into a Steak and Shake, you see the kiosk and they have a fat Bitcoin on there. So they're genuinely pushing for these Bitcoin payments. I love their Make America Healthy Again movement. I love their Bitcoin movement. This is such a great move by Steak and Shake. But I do really hope that they continue this momentum and, partner with some crypto channels to ensure their momentum continues with Bitcoin payments and show off Bitcoin payments. They need more videos. They need more content. But I absolutely love Steak and Shake. Absolutely love them. Thank you for all the subscriptions, guys. Please make sure you guys go over and continue subscribing to the channel. If you're on YouTube, please go. If you're on TikTok, please go to YouTube. And if you're on TikTok and you're not being nice, I will take off the stream or just delete you, either one. All the love to everyone in the chat. I appreciate you. No, they actually do have buffalo sauce at Steak and Shake. Trust me, if there's buffalo sauce anywhere, you know I'm going to find it. Anywhere, doesn't even matter. Golden! Guys, please put the golden emoji in the chat. Thank you, Golden. He gave away 100 memberships today. You guys are so awesome in the chat. Golden is the best. We love Golden. We do have Stripe that's building a payments blockchain tempo with Paradigm. This is all big news as well. Let me just hit the mute on that. There we go. Stripe is building a new protocol or a new blockchain dubbed Tempo with crypto venture firm Paradigm, according to a now removed job posting dated August 3rd on the Blockchain Association website. The role saw a product marketer with a Fortune 500 experience signaling enterprise push. The move coincides with the development of other stablecoin-focused blockchains, including Plasma, drawing over $373 million with an oversubscribed token sale, a Tether-focused blockchain stable. Now, this is very interesting as they describe this as a high-performance payment-focused layer 1 that will run code compatible with Ethereum. So it's going to be an EVM chain and a project that's currently in stealth with a team of 5. And so it's unclear whether they're going to have their own native token. I could see them use Tether. I could see them use USDC as well if they go along with this. But also, noggin thought right here. We got Stripe, which if you are a content creator on X or you're a sheesh poster on X pays you out through Stripe, right? So if Stripe is integrating stablecoins, well, they might integrate crypto down the line. And then when you get paid out from X, you could possibly accept crypto for your payments on X. Oh my word. Oh my word. That is revolutionary. Elon. I hope Elon's paying attention. But I do think eventually he's going to end up doing his own thing anyway. So I wouldn't be surprised. But crypto payments, I'm definitely bullish on it. 100% bullish on crypto payments. I would like my X payouts in Bitcoin over fiat. Now, speaking of the stablecoin push, again, Stripe kind of getting after it with their stablecoin push. We have Paxos, who used to issue BNB, or not BNB, BUSD, which was Binance's native stablecoin. It was top 3 stablecoin in the world before the SEC under Gary Gensler axed it. And so now Paxos also has their own native stablecoin, as well as they issue PayPal's PYUSD. And Paxos is continuing to make moves. They don't care. They're like, you know what? We're going to apply for a national bank charter, which, mind you, puts them at competition with Ripple, who also has that that national bank charter, and USDC puts them in competition with them as well. Stablecoin issuer Paxos applied for a national bank trust charter with the Office of the Comptroller of the Currency, which is the OCC, making it the latest U.S. stablecoin company to seek federal regulatory oversight. Now, according to a Monday press release, they aim to convert its New York Department of Financial Services trust charter into a national one, which is a move that would put the firm under federal supervision. They, again, issue PayPal USD. They also have global dollar token, which is USDG. Now, Charles, the CEO and co-founder of Paxos, says the OCC oversight will help build our historic commitment to maintaining the highest standards of safety and transparency. Note, their competition is USDC, so Circle. Then we also have Ripple and RLUSD, who applied for national bank trust charters last month. The Genius Act passed, and now all of this is flying to the top. Very interesting, isn't it? Please smash the like, subscribe, and accept your gifts from Golden. We love it. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you guys so freaking much. You guys are beautiful people. Also, guys, if you have a question for me, also if you're new to the show, please let... Guys, Oval. Did you guys see that? Oval got one. Can we all put Delulu emojis in the chat? Guys, we miss Oval. I'm not going to cry because I just cry every time I mention this man's name. But please put Delulu emojis. The reason we have that emoji is because of Oval, who just got a membership even though he passed away over a year ago, which is absolutely insane. And I can't believe it's been over a year. So please put Delulu emojis and prayers up for Oval's little humble spirit. We miss him so much. We miss you, Oval. All right, I just got distracted. Peace be with Oval Soul. We miss him so much. Genuinely miss him so much. All right, guys, let's get into our spotlight, which is the SEC to focus on clear crypto regulation after buttoning up their Ripple case. Your spotlight starts now. Paul Atkins, our current SEC chairman, is very bullish. Again, wants to create clear and common sense rules for the road and the laws of the land. Now, the SEC is signaling an increased focus on developing a clear crypto regulatory framework after ending one of the industry's longest-running legal battles. Now, the SEC and Ripple ended their almost 5-year dispute after both parties filed to drop their legal appeals and bear the costs and fees, according to a filing last Thursday with the Second Circuit Appeals Court. And so the conclusion was a welcome development that ensures minds once occupied with litigation can now concentrate on creating a clear regulatory framework for crypto. Who said that? Well, our crypto mama, Hester Peirce. And then Paul Atkins replied to her, saying that Commissioner Peirce is right. With this chapter closed, we now have an opportunity to shift our energy from the courtroom to the policy drafting table. Our focus should be on building clear regulatory framework that fosters innovation while protecting investors. Hashtag Project crypto. Oh, Paul, he's so cute. Paul Atkins dropping that hashtag right there. Dropping that hashtag. The next move for the SEC is really the Clarity Act, which is kind of like, it tells you what it is, which is a market structure act or a market structure bill to go ahead and give us some more clarity. I really do hope that we see a push for the the CBDC Anti-Surveillance State Act or the Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act. Again, this is the most important thing. I literally don't care about anything else until this is signed into law. The Anti-CBDC Surveillance State Act. If that isn't passed, I am going to be so mad at America. It's going to be ridiculous. But yeah, very, very bullish from the SEC. Very optimistic outlooks here. So keep calm, hodl on. Fight for justice, fight for freedom, and clearly our fight and our resilience in this space has shown with the amount of love that we're getting from this administration, the amount of influence we had going into this new administration as well. Let's get it. We got your coins to watch, your top 5 gainers, your top 5 losers. Whoa, what's happening? Well, I'll tell you right now. Oh, my lovely friends, we have Tezos leading the gainers of 6.96%. Chainlink up 5%, Uni up 2.9%, Ethereum up 2.8%, and Volta up 2.5%.
You're welcome. Thank you.
If you just got a membership, go hashtag kick a puppy IYKYK, rolling on the floor laughing emoji.
I don't think we're advocating. Oh!
This one is from Oval, looking from above and being proud of you, Randy.
Oh, stop that. Oh, Bulldog Eric. Oh. See, you're making me emotional. Okay, yeah. So I'm not crying. I'm not crying at all. No. Eric, thank you so much. I appreciate you. And we miss Oval so much. Like, so deeply. Like, this man was so important to this channel and this community. Like, lit up that Discord every day. And he was just taken from us way too soon. Like, that should never happen to him. He didn't deserve what happened to him. Anyway, I'm not crying. We love you. We miss you, Oval, so much. Sorry, guys. Okay. What was I doing? I don't even know what I was doing. Oh, yeah, losers. Okay. Guys, we are down 12.6% with Fartcoin. Story is down 8.6%. We also have Bonk down 5.99% and Pi down 5.59%. And Pengu, poor little Pengu, down 5.5%. Everyone's very upset about Pengu going down, but I think it's okay. We can need to retrace once in a while. Litecoin looking really good, $121, up 0.89%. We've been fiddling between really the 120 and what was this? Kind of the 123 and wick high-wise around 128. So we've just been kind of moving between 120 and 130 for the most part. Bearish level to watch, of course, is your 114. Bullish is 142. We do have a red dot printed, interestingly enough, that seems to be playing out here on the momentum. VWAP is down and a little negative at the moment, which isn't the best sign. However, money is still flowing on in to our Litecoin. RSI is still very bullish too. We're not even overbought yet. So I think we have some room to run here. I'm very, very bullish. Very, very bullish on Litecoin. I love Litecoin. Litecoin, she's the right coin. Everybody loves Litecoin. Hold on. Let me go ahead and make sure we're redirecting to Crypto Princess after this. Customization, redirect. Hold on. I got to make sure I'm going to do this right. Is this the right one? No, this is not the right one. Jason Casper, Wendy, that's not Crypto Princess. Crypto Princess, what's your title today? I can't find the right one here. September 2nd. That's not it. Are you not going live today? August 12th. Okay, I see it. I found it. All right, so go make sure after this you go and give love to Crypto Princess because she'll be live. Oh, guys, why is Gio in the chat? I literally just cried, and now Gio's here to make me cry again. Gio, I actually have no words for you because you said that you're going live again next week. If that first song isn't dedicated to me, and if you'll tell me when you're going live, that's a big problem. It's a big problem for me. Red flag. Actually, Gio was harassing me in the other chats earlier. He actually harassed me in Alex's chat. So if Alex is here, Alex should like reprimand him big time. He just causes way too many issues in my life. Causes me stress. You make everything red flag. I make everything better. Red flag on the play. All right, guys. Red flag on the play. That wasn't funny, but it's funny to me. Anyway, guys, we got Dogecoin 22.5 cents up 1.58%. You're looking at 23.5 cents for Dogecoin as your bullish scenario. Your bearish is 20 cents, just below 21, actually 0.209 cents. So I would hope to stay above 20 cents. Red dot has been printed, not even confirmed yet on this momentum. Money flow is increasing, highest money flow we've seen since May. Great news. And then the VWAP is down, which isn't like the best thing. We are up 1.65%. RSI is pretty bullish still. I'm very bullish on this RSI here. Almost neutral, so we have room to run. Andy, after 2 years of being a member, you're asking me for a Geo emoji? No way. No way we could give Geo that power over our channel. No way we can give him that power. Does he have a Randy emoji? No, he doesn't. I think it really is like the male that needs to put the woman first. So if he wants to add my emoji, maybe in 20 years I can consider him. Literally said GM to Alex and I came for you. I didn't do any of that. I really don't know what you're talking about. You were just testing me. You're testing my patience. It's not a good thing to test my patience, right, Golden? It's really not. All he does is test my patience, and I don't got any for him today. Guys, we have 125 likes. Can we get 130? Maybe feeling like 150 like type of day. Crypto Princess could use me as a guest today. Oh, is that true? I don't know. Is that true? She could text me. CP, text me, please. She got no. I wouldn't say any of that. Golden Child. Oh wow, there's a Golden Child and then there's Golden. That's hilarious. I love that. Circle yes or no. Well, we should ask him. We should put up a paper. Randy emoji, yes or no. And it has to be a yes or else I'm not talking to him anymore. I'd watch if Randy was a guest on Crypto Princess. Watch her regardless. Please make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like and subscribe to this channel. Please share this out with friends. I have a lot of fun with you people. You guys are great. And my family. It's getting a little cloudy outside, guys. Not my child. No, it's not Golden's child, guys. It's not Golden's child. It's just his handle that he's Golden's child. Maybe he wants to be Golden's child. Who knows? Oh, no rain. But it's so cloudy right now, guys. Interesting. Anyway, guys, I'm so bullish on you. Quit playing. I actually can't. This chat is so ridiculous. I think I'm kind of ridiculous too, but Gio's the most ridiculous, so he needs to stop. Anyway, guys, overall, the market's looking pretty sweet right now. If you're looking at my trading view on the right, all you see is red, so we really are starting to turn around here. APE is up 2%. XRP is up 1.8%. It's $3.18. Oh my gosh, my allergies are so bad today. $3.18, up 1.83%. Well, yeah, I said that correctly. That's English. $3 is your bear scenario. Bullish is that 340, guys. We've been kind of like tipping on down. What was this called? The three, forgot forgot what pattern. I don't know why it's slipping from my head. But hopefully we break that downtrend nonetheless. There is a red dot printing on the momentum. We'll see if that confirms and plays out. This could be, my friends, is this a fake pimp? Or are we really ready? I'm ready. I actually can't with this. I can't with this chat. It's too much. It's too much. Anyway, guys, what was I like in high school? Pretty much, I want to say almost the same. I want to say almost the same. I was just a little bit, I wouldn't quantify myself as more shy, but I was like, I was just a nerd. Like, I kind of kept to myself, was like the kind of weird person that like everyone was like, oh, she's so nerdy. Let's go steal her homework, which literally has happened to me multiple times. So like, that's who I was in high school. I was very nerdy, had like a few close friends, and yeah, like I wasn't like anything special in high school, I wouldn't say. But was I a bully? No. But Geo makes me a bully, which is what you're getting at right now. I know that's what you're getting at. And no, I only bully people that deserve it. Just kidding. Laughing at your own jokes that aren't funny. I'm not gonna take that from you, Geo, because I think he's jealous, guys. I think Geo's just not funny and he's mad about it, so that's not my problem. Anyway, Crypto Twat goes, hey nerd. No, I'm a nerd, and I'm honestly like not ashamed to say that I am a nerd. Because ultimately us nerds, we're gonna get after it. We really grind. We care about our work. We have devotion. And I really appreciate every single person that was a nerd, that literally put in the work in this space. The nerds are literally the people that fundamentally created Bitcoin and crypto. Without nerds, where would we be? There would be no crypto without the nerds. No crypto without the nerds. I love my nerds, especially my mining nerds, my coder nerds, my dev nerds. We love our nerds. Guys, if you're a nerd, smash the like, subscribe, and share. I'm so bullish on being a little nerdy individual. I don't really care, you know? I'm here for a nerdy time, not a long time. Amen. Just kidding. Guys, 22,887 subscribers. Guys, we're almost at 23K. I'm so bullish on you. I'm so bullish on everybody that goes ahead and supports this channel. You want to be a nerd now. It's never too late to be a nerd. I have to go.
Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're welcome. Thank you. You're
The
welcome.
world picks on nerds when they're young, but when we grow up, we end up on top.
Amen. Amen, Mr. Golden. Golden's king nerd, and look at him. And look at him now, getting after it.
Why don't you like and subscribe and share this video?
If there's a nerd in your life, go up to them. Give them a little hug today. Say thank you for being a nerd. Thank you. So I think, yeah, Zon King is here. Hello, my friend. Nice to see you. Yeah. No, nerd life 100%. If there's a nerd in your life, give them a hug today. And if you're the nerd in your life, give yourself a little squeeze. Give yourself a little hug. You know what I mean? But yeah. Zesty Live today. Thank you, M2. I appreciate you. Listen, I appreciate everyone that tunes in and has patience to listen to my craziness every morning. But I appreciate you guys so much, bottom line. I know I say it a lot, but it really is true. So I'll leave that how it is. Nerd life for the win. And I gotta go answer Crypto Princess and ignore this person that's right here because I don't talk to him. So let's get after it, guys. Have a beautiful day. Thank you guys so much. I have a lot of love for every single one of you guys. So have a beautiful day. Oh my gosh, we have 50 memberships. Oh yeah, 50 memberships. Oh, wow. See, look, we're seeing some good people get some memberships right now. I feel like after like the first few times like you drop them, then it gets pretty accurate. I don't know why that is, but no, this is a really good drop. I see like very active community members here getting some memberships. Wow, shout out to Golden. He said 50 more for the nerds. Thank you. Golden Child said Golden finally bought me a membership. No, Golden like comes through. Golden comes through. If there's someone in this chat that complains and says, I don't have a membership, Golden will drop until you get a membership. And I'm very grateful that he does that. I'm very, very grateful for Golden. What a beautiful person. Is that a Randy Swinging NFT? Yes, yes. You could go to missteennfts.com and go pick up yours today. Go pick up your NFTs, guys. But overall, guys, I'm extremely bullish. Amazing people getting these these memberships, but also good energy because Golden's sending his energy out into the world via memberships. But thank you guys so much. I appreciate every single one of you guys. I got to go answer Crypto Princess. We're at the top of the hour. And I'm really happy that I'm here every single day. My heart is just so warm. It's so fluffy. I'm so grateful for every single one of you guys. So have a beautiful day. Happy Tuesday. Eat a taco. If you are eating a taco after this live stream ends, please let me know what taco you're going to have. Have a beautiful day. This stream is taking you directly to Crypto Princess, so enjoy her show. Please go and watch her. If I'm on there or not, it really doesn't matter as long as you're supporting another woman in crypto. So smash the like, subscribe, share this out with friends. Happy Tuesday, and watch out for my short videos, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Mwah. Peace.